The way you upload on your YouTube channel might be the actual reason why you have not yet gone viral on YouTube. A lot of you guys just go ahead to tap on the upload button and you upload and go and relax. That is why your videos are not doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually upload your video for you to go viral, like massively go viral. It will change everything you know about YouTube algorithm on your YouTube channel. A lot of you guys create nice videos, but the way you upload is actually affecting it. I'm going to be turning on my screen record to show you how you can upload your YouTube video for it to go viral from scratch, from the beginning to the end. And it is very, very simple. It's not something that you have to start going through a long way, but it's something that will actually change the way you upload on YouTube. If this is your first time seeing me, do what to give us a subscribe, because I help a lot of small YouTubers to actually grow their social media platforms and make money out of social media. So do what to give us a subscribe and like this video. Let us get into the video.
Can he praise you, God?
Here is our interface. We'll go to our YouTube app. We open up the YouTube app. You can see our home page, our discovery page. Then we go over to that plus button down. Yes, you are using the plus button down. Then we go to the video we want to upload. Then we tap on the video that we are trying to upload. Then you can see my video is looking very, very beautiful. My good color grading, my good editing, and good communication with the camera. So we tap on next. Now this is what we have. It's always normal. Anytime you want to upload, you always see this. Then you can see where you can put your title, that's visibility. Then we go to the place within select um to select your thumbnail. That's up something that looks like gallery stuff here. We tap on it, then we select our thumbnail. So I've already created my thumbnail from ChatGPT. So this is our thumbnail. So we tap on select. We'll select the thumbnail. You can see how beautiful and interesting my thumbnail looks. Like nobody is going to skip this thumbnail if they actually see it on their home page. So we selected it, then we go to our title. So I've already saved my title at my notepad. So I went back to my notepad. Then you can see the place where I wrote everything about my video before I created it. You can see my video structure. So we copy the title, why your YouTube video gets impression but no views, slash how to fix it. So we copy it, then we minimize it and go to our YouTube app again, then we paste it on title. Then you see where it's written select audience. You can see it there. You can see visibility, and you can see where it's written select audience. We tap on select audience, then we go to no, it's not for children. Yes, it's not meant for kids. So we go back, then we tap on the place written see more. You can see where you can see add description. So we tap on add description. We go back to my notepad because I also pasted my description there, which I got from ChatGPT. So we copy our description from, yes, from in this video we copied it down to the hashtags that we're going to use. So we go back to our YouTube, then we paste it. We have to paste it. Yes. Then we go back, and now you see the place written visibility. Here is where the most important thing is. So here is where we are going to actually schedule our video. We are not going to upload directly. So we tap on visibility. Then you can see it's on private. We will tap on public. Do not leave it on private. You tap on public. And when you tap on public, we have to go to the place written schedule. Do not go back after tapping public. Just tap on schedule. Then you can see that under schedule, our video will be uploading on 25th August 2026, which is a day late. Yes, after today. Today is on 24th August, but this YouTube gave us on 25th of August 2026. but we are not going to be making use of that. So we tap on a place, we tap on it, then we will schedule like 3 days after we upload. You can see today is 24th of August. We are going to be scheduling it like 3 days after, which will be on the 28th, because it takes YouTube 3 days to learn your audience for a particular video. That's the secret a lot of you guys don't know. So we tap on OK, then you can see where it's written time. We are going to change it. This is 12 a.m., which is in the midnight, but no, we are going to change it to p.m. so that it will be evening time. So we choose 5 p.m. We choose 5 p.m. Then we tap on minutes and we choose 33 minutes, which is 5:33. This is the most important thing. So our video will be publishing on the 28th of August 2026 at 5:33 p.m. because we are trying to give you time to learn our video. So we go ahead to upload it. Now we tap on upload. Yes, that is exactly how you upload on your YouTube channel for it to go viral. If you upload a video just directly, you just publish it immediately, it will have to take days in your channel. Yes, it has to sit for days in your channel before YouTube will actually get the audience that is going to watch that particular video. So if you leave it on your channel, you just upload it and you leave it on your channel and it stays for like 3 days before you get like 1 views, 2 views. When an audience who is interested in that topic see that your video is getting just 3 views in days, they don't even tap on it. They'll be like, this person is not getting views. They'll swipe to the next one that has a lot of views. So all you have to do is to schedule your video for YouTube to learn the audience for few days. Yes, schedule them for days. When YouTube learn the audience, YouTube will actually push it to the people, the right audience, once it publishes. Like in the first 1 hour, 2 hours of upload, you have seen a lot of viewers. People start viewing that post because YouTube have already learned the audience of that particular post already when it was still scheduled. So when it publishes, it start giving you views instantly. And the more viewers see that, oh, this video has gotten like 100 views in 2 hours, they will tap on it to watch. And that is why your views will keep on growing, because views actually bring views on your channel. But I hope you guys have learned something from this, and do what to give us a subscribe and share this video to whoever you think it might be. So see us in our next upload. Thank you so much.